Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer insights with Adobe Analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate customer insights with Adobe Analytics, begin by logging into your Adobe Analytics account. Familiarize yourself with the Adobe Analytics dashboard. Locate the Reports section on the left-hand menu. Click on Reports and Analytics to access your data. Select the data set you want to analyze, such as website traffic or customer interactions. Navigate to the workspace where you can create customized reports. Start a new project by clicking on the Create Workspace button. Choose the metrics that are relevant to your customer insights, such as page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. Drag and drop the selected metrics into your workspace for visual representation. Now, to automate these insights, look for the calendar feature. Set a schedule for the report automation, specifying the frequency of updates such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Click on Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Next, navigate to the Anomaly Detection feature within the workspace. Set thresholds for alerts to notify you of significant changes in your data. Confirm that your alerts are properly configured for real-time insights. After setting up alerts, turn your attention to data visualization tools. Utilize graphs and charts to make your insights more digestible. To share these insights, explore the Share option in the top right corner. Choose the format best suited for your audience, such as PDF or direct links. Lastly, review your automated insights regularly to ensure accuracy and relevance. By following these steps, you will successfully automate customer insights with Adobe Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.